Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with H&R Block for online filing, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official H&R Block website. Locate the File Your Taxes Online option on the home page. Click on that option to proceed to the registration page. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Provide your first and last name as requested. Next, enter your phone number for account recovery and updates. Select your preferred method of contact for notifications. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email from H&R Block. Check your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the H&R Block website. Log in using your email and the password you created. Begin the process of filing your taxes by selecting Start a New Return. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your tax information. You can save your progress at any time during the filing process. Review all entered information for accuracy before submitting. After completing your filing, you will receive confirmation. Make sure to log out of your account when you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.